Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll be looking at the symptoms of a dirty air filter in a small gas engine, such as on a lawnmower or a chainsaw. Symptom number 1, increased fuel consumption. If you find that your equipment is using more fuel than usual to get the same amount of work done, check the air filter. If it's dirty or clogged, your engine has to work harder to operate since it isn't getting the amount of air it needs. Symptom number 2, trouble with starting. To start problem, a small gas engine needs the right amount of air, fuel, and a spark. If you have good fuel in the tank and your spark plug is fine, but you still can't get the engine to start, you will want to check your air filter, and if it's dirty or damaged, it should be replaced. Symptom number 3, power loss. When the air filter is dirty, it reduces airflow into the engine. Without the right amount of air burning with the fuel, there's less combustion and less horsepower. If you notice your engine surging up and down or even stopping completely, you'll want to check the air filter. And if it's dirty, clean it or replace it. Thank you for watching this video. We certainly hope that it was helpful, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.